Guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I had no intentions on being on the video today, so hence everything going on, but I just wanted to come on real quick and kind of intro the DIY that I am doing for today. Excuse me, I had showed you guys before that I had picked up the Dollar Tree tongs and stuff. So this is my little like Grinch cup that I made. I did make it two-sided. These would be super cute for like, let's say like Christmas Eve for your kids if you're still looking for little ideas, or if you're gonna have like a little party and have some people over. These were not very expensive to make. For me though, I did get these cups for 50 cents a while ago, so I'm sure they're probably a little bit more now, but I would get them from maybe Walmart or something because they're probably only $1 versus the $1.25. But anyway, so that's where I got the cup from. I used my Cricut to put drink, drink, dunk instead of drink, drink, drunk. And then I got these packages of 4 packages with 2 each from the Dollar Tree. Again, I did a haul on that. These Chips Ahoy's, you can't really see them too much on the video, but you can see them in person. I did end up picking those up today because from Walmart there was $7 for 12 packages because I just felt like it was going to be very not full. So I did pick those up today, and so I put those in there. These are the Dollar Tree tongs that I picked up, and then you'll see in the video I'm very skeptical about putting this sucker in here. I feel like it just kind of throws it off. So anyways, I still put it in. And then this is just the cellophane bags from the Dollar Tree. And so here's this one I'm super excited about. And then I did just want to show you what I did with the blue one. I really wanted to put some sort of like snowman type thing on here, but I couldn't like find a saying that goes like dunking. So I found, you know, they always have that official cookie taster. And so this one I just put official cookie dunker. And so yeah, I got that, and again it just has the tongs, the Chips Ahoy, the Oreo, and this time I did decide to put a peppermint candy cane. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that real quick, and I don't know if you really need it, but next is if you want to watch the video as to how I put it together. I'm super excited about these though. Like I said, how cute would these be like to put out for Christmas Eve for everyone, or to put out if you're having a little party or something, like, or even to give, like, I've seen a lot of people saying like, what could I give my kids' classmates or something for cheap? So for me, let's go with like if they weren't, because you're not going to be able to find them for 50 cents now. So that was $1.25, so it's $2.50. But I want to point out that these I found in like Christmas tree shaped and stuff for $1 at Dollar General. Yeah, and I almost got them, but they only had 1. And so I needed more than that, so I just stuck with these. But I found way better tongs for $1 at Dollar General. But so this one is $1.25, $2.50. Let's see. I figured these out to be 30 cents each, I think. So let's see, 1, $2.50, $2.80. These I think were like 30 cents, so it's like $3.10. Let's just say like $3.50. I don't know, maybe that for everything in total. So $3.50. Like, I know it might seem like a lot for classmates and stuff, but if they have a small class, or even how cute would this be for the teacher, just like something different. So anyways, I hope that you enjoy how I put it together, and thanks again for watching. Okay, so if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I said that I got these cups at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents a while ago. They're just the green cup, Royal Norfolk, whatever. And then I just used my red vinyl. I just always feel like it's gonna come up. It never has, but anyway, so I put what I said I was going to put on here, drink, drink, a dunk. So we have that. So now we are ready to put them together. It's going to be a little, hold on. What am I thinking? A little dunking kind of cup. So let's see here, I think is our plan. So I just have all kinds of little goodies over here you can see. Just put it like that so we can see it a little bit better. I did get these at the Dollar Tree. So these are the Oreos. So this is definitely what we're going to put in here. Okay, so Oh, I thought they were bigger. Okay, so there's 4 of these little ones. Thank goodness. But I also picked these up today because I just had a feeling. So I picked these up from Walmart, and I think they were like $7, but it comes with 12 packages. So let's see. And then remember, we're going to use our little tongs that we bought from the Dollar Tree for our little to dunk our cookies. So let's see here. Oh no, I don't like that because that red is going to blend right in. So I think we're gonna have to go with green. So I've never made these before, so we are doing this together. And I want to put a lot of it on the bottom just because to build it up a little. I'm trying to keep in camera frame here. Oh, and I did want to point out, I think I already showed you, that I did it on both sides. So anyways, okay, so we'll kind of pull this around down here. Okay, so there's that. So here's our little tongs that we're gonna put in here. Actually, I think we're gonna go this way for several reasons. One, this is kind of thick to put in the bottom, and 2, I want them to see that we have our little tongs here. So there's our little tongs for our cookie. I might have to put it upwards and then show you guys in a minute because it's kind of hard. So there's our tongs. Then here is our chips, our Chips Ahoy. Put those in last. Again, I've never done this, guys. So let's see. Here is our little Chips Ahoy. Let's put our little package of Oreos right there. Here, oh, this is coming together. Okay, so I'm gonna shove our Oreos down so you can still see them. And then there's our Chips Ahoy, and there's that. And then I had brought over like all kinds of candy and stuff, but now I'm like, I don't know if just this is cute. I feel like if you add too much, it's too much, but then if you don't add enough, but I feel like that is pretty cute, and I actually think I'm just gonna leave it. So there's that. Again, this cup was 50 cents a while ago at the Dollar Tree. These were the little 4-packs from the Dollar Tree. I got these from Walmart for $7 for 12 packs. And then this is the little tongs, the miniature ones from the Dollar Tree. And this is just tissue paper. So I think that's enough. I feel like maybe I should add a candy cane, but then I just don't want to put too much in there. Let me see. I feel like, I don't know. Hold on. So I also have like the little carnival pops from the Dollar Tree. So let me see. I don't want to put a straight one because I feel like everything is straight. I just want to see what would happen. See, I just don't want too much in here, but let me see. I just feel like that might be a lot. Like, this has nothing to do with dunking. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. But I do feel like just these are enough, but I don't know. So I'll just put it like that so you can see all of it. And then I'm going to use, so these are like the, from the Dollar Tree, they're just the little goodie bags things in the party section. So I'm just going to put it in here. And so it's all cute in there. And then I was gonna tie it, but honestly, this may not let me tie it. Well, I'm gonna have to close it somehow. But I thought I had everything, but I did forget to pick, to get my ribbon and bring it in. So I'm gonna have to pause this and be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I got this. I've had this for forever. It's just like red and green. I think it would be very cute. But I mean, I really don't know if I want the lollipop. I feel like the lollipop is a little too much, and it keeps getting in my way. So I need to push them down just a little bit. Let me see how long I want this. Let me just try right here. These scissors are crap. There we go. Okay, so okay, that'll be way too long. So I could probably cut this even just way smaller. Yeah, these scissors are crap. Okay, there we go. Move those. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this. So now we're just going to tie it at the top. Let's see. Now let's pull this down. Put it in there a little bit more. Okay, I think so. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. So I don't know if I want it hanging. I guess it's kind of cute. So, but now it's all crooked. So we're just gonna turn our cup in here. Here we go. Okay, so guys, this is our dunking cup. I'm in love with it. I just want to make sure, like I said, I always feel like my vinyl is gonna come up. It never has, but I don't know. Anyways, so this is our drink dunk cup. And again, it has, okay, I'm gonna push my Oreos in there a little bit more again. Anyway, so we have our cup from the Dollar Tree, so that was 50 cents. These little suckers, we have our Oreos, and we have our Chips Ahoy, and then we have our little tongs. I think it is so cute, and I'm in love. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to show you. I don't even honestly know to say how much it would cost, because, let me see. Like I said, this was 50 cents, but normally it would be 125, but I paid 50 cents. I think I figured these out to be 50 cents each. That's $1. I think these were 30 cents each. So that's $1.30. These were definitely $1.25. So that's $2.30, $2.55. So about $3 total to make them. And I just think they're so stinking cute. I'm so in love with them. So, all right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, so I just showed you all my cup for kind of like my Grinch dunking cup, but then I just wanted to show you this one so that you would know like what I did with the blue one. This was also 50 cents a while ago at the Dollar Tree, and it's just Royal Norfolk. And on this one, I wanted to put something about like melting on a snowman, but I have no idea. So I just put official cookie dunker. And so this one, I think the white tissue paper will work. Unfortunately, this is the color on these that I got, which I don't like. They had gray and I didn't even think about it, but I'm still gonna put them in there. And then again, we have our mini Chips Ahoy. Let me see, which way do I want to put them? I want to put them this way. So first of all, let me just say that Amy from Bella's Bargains taught me one time that like, if you put your item like this and put it down in the bottom of the bag, all of your food goes down here, so it makes it bulky at the bottom. So I remember her saying like, you want to kind of bring it to the top so you can fit more like into the bottom of your cup and it looks fuller at the top. So that's what I'm doing. And here is my Oreos, just like my last one. I'm gonna have to put it up for a second. Here are my cookie tongs. Yeah. So let's see, we want to pull this out a little so we can see it. We'll put that right there. And then this time I decided just to add a candy cane instead of the sucker. So here we go. So this is what we have this time. Again, we just have the Oreo, the tongs, which I'm gonna have to fix, the cookies, and just this, and we will put it into the bag again that I had said I got from the Dollar Tree, out of the party section. I got these for something else and it didn't work, so I was like, well, let me just put them on here. And then I didn't bring a tie with me right now, but I'm not gonna stop it and go get it because you guys saw in the last one what it was. I just wanted to show you like the different version that I did. So again, this one is just official cookie dunker. I did put it on both sides. And then we just have our tongs and our Oreo. Again, I got the tongs from the Dollar Tree. I got the Oreo 4 packages with 2 in each from the Dollar Tree. I got these. There was 12 packages for like $7 from Walmart, and then just the candy canes from the Dollar Tree. And then this also from the Dollar Tree. So again, this is just another version and I'm loving it. If you guys, again, remember, I was obsessed with the Oreo cookie dunking things, and so that's where I got my idea for this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick like DIY in case you wanted to use it for anything at all. So anyways, I'll let you guys go and I hope that you enjoyed this.